Hi. I have been on a calorie deficit for just shy of 2 weeks. Actually, just a little over 2 weeks. Oh, here's your chopsticks. Sorry. Sorry. I'm gonna mop this fuck up. I got a Pokeball. It's like a shoyu spicy sauce. And I'm so excited. Do you want to be in the shot?
No.
I have to take my Be Real!
How do you freaking open this?
The button.
There's a button?
There's a button.
Where's the button?
You look with your eyes, not your mouth.
I can't see shit. Hello? What button? That's not a button!
That's a fucking button! I need to take my Be Real.
Me too, me too. Wait.
Okay, I don't want you to be in it.
What?
Be Real time.
Yeah. Where's the square?
Oh my god. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
That's actually good. Wow. Wait, what is it made with?
Well, it's called Secret for a reason.
Well. Did he reply to the Shrek?
He read it.
What?
Didn't respond though.
What? Shrek. Oh man.
Should I text him again? Does that mean you're not coming with me to the Shrek rave?
What the fuck?
Oh my gosh, should I go in for another Pokeball?
Girl, goodbye.
Yeah, I mopped that fuck up.
Wow. Oh, you're so good.
Ah!
Oh. I look like a Hot Topic sponsored.
Girl, you said that, not me. Yes. Veggies.
So
Hot. It's hot. Ow! Ow! The script was steamed.
Oh, it smells so good.
Stop. I'm gonna smash this fuck up. You know what I think would be even funnier? When you have someone's location, you can listen in. Oh, jump scare. I got a number 5, which is sliced steak and what is it called? Flank and cooked flank. Wait, stop, I'm scared.
No, this broth won't stay.
Oh my god, stop, wait.
Oh, you have chopsticks?
Stop, it's literally so cute.
Did you just call
Ow!
Did you just call red meat cute? You want me to help
I don't
you?
know how I'm gonna pour this. I don't have the mittens for it.
I can.
I'm closing it. Because I'm getting scared.
Okay. You want me to open it?
Stop, I'm getting scared.
Come on.
I'm sweating.
Fucking pour that shit.
I can't do it.
Here, I'll put it on the. Hold this shit. I'll do it.
Okay. I'm getting scared. I'm gonna let go. I'm gonna let go. I'm gonna let
Don't
go.
let go.
Why is this man looking in? I'm gonna stare right back.
Oh, sorry.
The whole thing? That's good. That's kind of a lot of sabaw. Bitch, stop eating my soup.
We have this.
Wow, it's kind of like cars were not made for fine dining.
Meat.
I got this, you guys.
Meow.
Oh, mine is making bubble noises.
I heard it. Ew. Hello. I need you to spam text her right now.
No, I muted him, so no notifications.
What? You muted him?
I muted him.
What? What?
What is this?
That's hoisin and sriracha.
Oh, I don't want it.
Thank you. So happy.
We must think skinny tonight, girls.
Ooh. She's slurping her shit.
Why is it so good? We should come here from now on.
For real? Anyway, I just find it funny that we both came here with flowers for each other.
That's disgusting.
It's funny.
I don't like you like that.
What?
I don't like you.
So in conclusion, I think I'm better than...
What? Why? Why do you say so?
Is he here with flowers? No.
Wow, it's kind of like he's out there doing his job.
That's just weird that they both texted around the same time. Wow. I just wasn't expecting it. I literally just opened my messages.
Really? Because I was. No.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Never mind. My brain.
It's okay. Not all of us can understand.
What? I really don't. I want to understand. Like he only... Is it only when it's convenient?
Really good. Well, Mom says hi, by the way. I forgot. She told me to tell you before I left the house.
Hi, Mom.
Can I see your tribe? Oh my god, really? It looks a lot bigger in Kare. I'm getting full already. I'm full. Y'all, I'm full already. I have this much left.
I'm gonna mop this fuck up.
Ooh, I feel a burp coming up. Maybe I'll have room.
Ooh.
Oh, I have room.
Anyway, what did your boyfriend say?
Hey, I hope you're doing okay. I just got back.
That's it.
Hey, I just got back. I hope you're doing okay. Oh my god, are you telling me to text him?
No. Don't do it. Let them wonder.
Oh my god.
Drink this straight up. I don't want to waste soup.
I also want to add more sabao to mine.
Ooh, that's so good.
How is this soup still hot, but it's in this plastic container? This thing retains heat so well. We've only been eating for 10. We spent the first 10 minutes screaming. I can't text him.
Oh no, I will.
Hey!
No, I'm just kidding.
What? You're gonna text? I thought when you said I will, I thought you meant you're gonna text.
Oh. No, I didn't save his number. I keep forgetting. But it's the Smurf. Can y'all see? Not the Smurf. It's Nomeo from Nomeo and Juliet. Hello? Can you see? Look. You guys are matching. This is Asia. She's Juliet from Romeo and Juliet. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's so funny. I'll put a tortoise, and then I'll put a tortoise for you, and then can be a military man kicking the tortoise.
No.
No, I don't even know if I have red receipts on. That's why I'm scared to open it.
Yeah, I'll do it. Yep, I'll do it.
What are you gonna do?
Turn off red receipts.
But then he's gonna see that you read it, and then what?
I'm gonna turn off red receipts, and then I'm gonna block his number.
No! No!
You're getting sucked in already. What did I fucking tell you? Oh my god. This bitch said last night, I don't feel anything, you know? I'm not even expecting anything.
Hey, 2:00 something. I was working.
Oh my god, should I text him?
No.
You know, I don't even know if I'm gonna see him on Saturday, because I said, I can't believe I'm gonna see you next Saturday. And he was like, I don't know, dude. Maybe.
What?
You guys never get a boyfriend. Stay single forever. Oh. This is what happens when you're single.
You know what?
What? What are you gonna text him? Last piece of cooked flank. Oh. We didn't take our Be Real with our phone.
What? Is there a problem?
I didn't like that look that you looked after you sighed. Are you undressing in front of me?
I would.
Yeah. Oh, jump scare.
Yeah, shut up. Yeah. Bro, that's a lot of cars coming down from like Tanos. It still goes. Like,
That's not.
oh, is that not?
Who are street lights?
Oh shit. Oh.
There's another question we never chatted. Come on, eat this.
Holy shit.
Do it!
Are you not gonna have the rest of the sauce?
I'm gonna.
You'll eat that shit, but not this.
That's just sauce, girl. Oh.
Yeah. So anyway, you should text him.
You didn't say that 20 minutes ago.
I wonder how you would even bring that up. Well. Holy fuck. I'd feel bad. Sorry, Asia. I was on your side. Maybe I'm not.
Wait, what? Wait, who? You're on side?
Actually, no. I don't know. That's. You're like. Asia, shut the fuck up.
Bitch, it's important.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Right there. I'm gonna say shit.
Who texted me?
Motherfucker! It's not him!
I don't know how to feel.
You know, I don't know why they gave me the keys when I literally don't come on time. Anyway.
Future businesses looking through my videos for footage of you.
No! No!
Oh my god, who is making those noises? Oh, I can smash a Baskin Robbins. I feel fine.
What the fuck?
Sorry, y'all. I was being dramatic.
How should I respond? Okay? Like, okay?
How about just don't respond?
Oh, you're right. Left on red? Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, I fucking do it.
Huh?
You're gonna leave it there and you're gonna wait for him to text you and you're not gonna block him. You're not over him.
I am over him.
Then delete it and block his number.
Okay.
You're gonna go back and unblock it
No, I won't.
within the month.
I don't like that you're right. I give up trying to fight it. Goodbye. You're fucking right.
Oh my god, they're back. Wow.
Are they on a date?
He opened the door for her.
Bitch, that's the bare minimum. Why are you so fucking like, wow. Oh my god. Oh. They can probably hear me too. Are they on a date? It looks like they're on a date. She looks all giddy and shit.
Aren't they like... Oh my god, he's putting his hand behind her seat! Maybe they're married. Isn't that sweet though? That
she still looks so...
She still looks so happy to be in this relationship, and he's still opening her doors for her and doing this. Look, they're feeding the meter. Our meter.
Thank you.
Oh, you know what? Maybe this one was ours.
Oh shit.
Oh, see, look, that makes sense. Because that one's there, that one's here.
Oh. Wow. it's okay, because no one was here. We were never here.